Per Inside EVs, Ford is expanding its Power Promise program into Canada, offering buyers of the new Mustang Mach-E, F-150 Lightning, and E-Transit a complimentary home charger and standard installation service when they purchase or lease one of these models between February 1st and March 31st, 2025 in provinces outside Quebec. In Quebec, customers can still access this benefit at a discounted rate, about CAD $2,450, which is roughly $1,700 US, plus tax, compared to an estimated retail value of CAD $3,600, around $2,500 US. All installations must be executed by Rocket EV, Ford certified installer, with the standard installation capped at roughly CAD $2,000, about $1,390 US. The home charger, a Ford Charge Station Pro, is a level 2 charger capable of delivering up to 80 amps, although most of these electric vehicles accept up to 48 amps, and it stays with you even if you lease. Additionally, the program includes a warranty covering 8 years or 100,000 miles on the high-voltage battery, along with non-stop live support and access to the Blue Oval Charge network, which features even Tesla superchargers. You are listening to UON News.